I'm excited about this video. Let's talk all about your fashion and beauty favorites for the month. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Ashley Parke. This is Parke Avenue, and I have all the fashion content. So if that's what you love, subscribe and make sure you hit those notification bells so you don't miss an upload. Before we jump into the actual favorites, I want to kick things off in the beauty category. A lot of you have been asking me about my hair and complimenting me, and I really appreciate it. I'm wearing Eyebrow hair. I've mentioned the brand plenty of times on my channel. I've tried lots of textures from Eyebrow hair, and I really do like them all. They blend really well with my hair, but these blowout wefts, this is literally my hair texture. If you are a black girl and you're looking for a texture that has a little bit of texture to it, it's not super silky, it just blends with your hair, whether it's silk pressed or blown out, then you need to check this one out. It's really, really good. I love this hair texture, and I really love the length. I've been having a lot of fun with it, but it also comes in shorter lengths if you want to do that. And I had it installed by Aisha Seiko. She's a pro stylist here in Atlanta, Georgia. If you want to check her out and book with her, I will have her Instagram in the description box. Now, if you want money off your Eyebrow bundles, you can check the link I'll have in the description box as well, and it auto applies my promo for your money off of the hair that you select. But if you want to save the promo code for another time and shop later on, I will have the promo code listed separately as well. And this is raw hair, which means it hasn't been processed, so it will react to the elements the same way your hair, your natural hair, is going to react to the elements. I personally love that. It takes away the stress of having to worry about, oh, if it's humid out or if it rains or anything like that. I don't have to worry about it, because whatever's going to happen to my hair is going to happen to this hair, and I like that. You can color it any color you like. I actually dye my bundles jet black because I dye my hair jet black. But if you don't dye your hair and you leave your natural color, and maybe you have some grays that you're starting or you're fully gray, then check out Eyebrow's website, because there are also bundles that will work for that as well, for your hair color. There are like black bundles that have like gray strands going through it. So maybe if you're in the early stages of going gray, you can check out those bundles. I think that is really great. And then if you are fully gray, there are bundles for you as well. So check out the website, check the link in the description box. Now let's talk about a couple of cosmetic things I got recently. And we talked about packaging in one of my previous videos recently, so I had to show you guys these. This is YSL's, this is their holiday collection packaging from Valentine's Day. And I didn't realize that I had this. I only just recently realized that I had this package. So when I opened it, it was such a pleasant surprise. It actually came one with the lipstick. This is their Love Shine lipstick, and the color that this comes in is actually a part of their permanent line, so I will be able to link this for you guys, but not in the limited edition packaging. I couldn't find that. But what I did find is their eyeshadow quad, this couture mini clutch, in the holiday packaging. So it usually comes in a black and gold like standard packaging from YSL Cosmetics, and I have a couple of those, but I really do love this packaging, so I'm glad to have this one. This color quad, the Blooming Lust, I actually don't have, but I do have a burgundy very similar to this in another Saint Laurent shadow quad that I do have. But I'm happy to have this one because I love that shimmery pink. The colors blend really, really nice. They're easy to use, which is why I like them. I think these colors are just so easy to use and wear. It comes with two applicators, but I don't use those. I really like the formula of these, and they layer nicely if you want even stronger color payoff with like a cream shadow underneath. So really cute packaging. If you want to check these out, I have it linked. The next thing I want to show you guys is something I got in PR from Makeup Forever. It's their new Super Boost line. They sent me this gorgeous PR package that I was so excited to have, because I was actually going to buy this anyway. I was going to buy a lot of these lip glosses, but when they sent this, I was so excited. So not only did they send some lip liners with their matching glosses, I went to go and break down the package after I saw the skin tints. They sent me this cute little water bottle or mixer bottle, and then I saw the lip glosses and lip liner I was really excited about, so I was like, oh great, you know. And then I went to go and break down the package, and I realized that this top portion came off, and they sent me the rest of the glosses. I love that, which I'm so excited about. If you follow me on Instagram, you already heard this story and saw everything, so follow me over there as well, because you guys might see something sooner. But I had my eye on this beautiful lip gloss, Festival Lilac. It's one of the pearly finishes. These glosses are really nice. If you haven't tried them, go check them out. I love the formula. They're not sticky. The coverage is really nice as far as the actual color payoff. Some are obviously more sheer than others because there are different colors, but they're so beautiful. And one of my other favorites is Limitless Brown. And I actually had such a love-hate relationship with the Limitless Brown lip liner, but it's one of my favorites now, and I layer it with my other favorite, Endless Cacao. And this is such a beautiful chocolatey brown with pearl shot through it. Have to check that one out. And this purple one looks so pretty layered over that purple lip balm from Chanel that I showed you guys before. a winning combination. The next beauty product I want to talk about is brow gel. I love this Rare Beauty brow gel. It's just my favorite. I really love the way it holds my brows, but it doesn't make them stiff and hard, and I don't feel like I'm damaging my eyebrows when I use this. The only problem I do have with this brow gel is how quickly I go through it. This is probably like my 4th bottle of this. It just goes too fast, and I don't really feel like it should be going that fast. I don't know. So I decided I was going to try another one just to see if there was something else out there that I would like as much. And I think I found it. I've only been using this for about a week now, but this is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. And you get more product in here for less money. This e.l.f. Cosmetics brow gel has 0.27 ounces. And I don't even think I paid $10 for it. And this is like $20, and I go through it so fast, you know? So I don't know. I really like this brow gel. I like the packaging even more. I like the fact that it has the brush built into it and a comb, and I can kind of use the side of it to like push my brows like a spatula. With my Rare Beauty brow gel, I would put it on and then I would still go over it with a spatula to kind of like lay my brows down and give it that laminated effect. And then I like the brush on this one. I feel like it just picks up more of the product, and I can just, you know, brush through it really nicely. Even though it looks white, it dries clear, but it doesn't get all goopy. And I just think it's a really nice packaging and a really nice product for less money, and I get more. Now let's jump into your actual monthly favorites. I do these videos because I know sometimes you might be thinking about buying something, but you're not sure. You want to get some feedback from other people. And if you guys have purchased anything I'm going to be talking about, leave your experience with that particular item in the comments in case somebody else wants to know how it's been working for you. So let's talk about this Valentino lipstick. A lot of you have asked me about this, and I saw that a lot of you clicked on this. A lot of you were interested. So this is the first favorite of the month, and I love this as well. I did have just the lipstick linked last time when I shared it, but I did find the entire like gift set. So if you want the actual pouch along with the lipstick and the refill, then check the description box because I found it and I'll link it. If you just want the lipstick, I'll have that link as well. And I saw on the Valentino website, if you purchase like just the lipstick, you can get it engraved. It's engravable. So I think that's such a nice gift, and it makes me like it even more. But if you want the actual set, I don't think you'd have a selection of engraving it. But you let me know if you find out something different. This lipstick is so gorgeous. The packaging, first of all, I love. It has the classic Valentino signature design. It has the Valentino logo, and it feels weighty but not heavy. It has a nice weight to it. And the packaging is magnetic. I just find that so, like, I love that. And the actual product, it is a matte lipstick, but it goes on super smooth. It's not hard or drying, and it kind of feels like a mousse to me. I really like that. The color is gorgeous. It's one of my favorites right now. Someone did ask me in one of the recent videos what lipstick combination I was wearing, and this is it. This is the Valentino lipstick in the color 123R, which I believe is called Spiked. So this must be like their signature, like original color. And I layer 2 lip liners. I wear Makeup Forever Limitless Brown. This has now become one of my favorites. I had a love-hate relationship because I just thought it was too dark of a brown liner, but I really love it right now. And then I layer a little bit of Endless Cacao just for a little bit of contour and definition. And then on top of that, I go in with Pistachio from Tower 28. This is one of my favorite toppers in terms of a gloss because the color is just really nice, and I find that this color, this like mauvey pinky color, is very complimentary on top of a lot of my nude lipsticks. So these two together, love it. And then everything fits into my little pouch, my combination here. Perfect. Next up, these Zara cargos. I love these so much. These are Zara men's. They fit well, and I do love the colors that they come in, the olive green and the black. They're just a really great pair of cargos. I love cargos and this style of a pant. I just feel like it's something I'm always gonna like, so I'm happy to have these in my collection, and I'm glad so many of you have been loving them as well. Next, this crew neck top from COS. I actually showed you this top in a green and cream stripe pattern, but that one is not available anymore. But it looks like a lot of you still really like the top. It's a fine gauge wool. It is lightweight. It's semi-sheer, but not see-through. And it's a really, really nice long sleeve top to layer with. And it's gonna wear really nicely into the spring because, you know, the spring we got some of those weird days where it's chilly, but sometimes a little warm. It'll layer nicely under a trench coat. It's just a really nice long sleeve top. It still comes in black and cream, and those are really great basics to have, especially as we continue on through the year. Next up, this Madewell denim jacket. Now, I thought it was just a denim shirt because it's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all, but Madewell calls it a jacket, and I guess it's more so because of the structure. It does look like it could be a jacket, and of course you could wear it open and layer underneath it, but I treat it more like a shirt. And now this J. Crew shirt, I have been reaching for this what feels like nonstop. I've worn it so many times since I got it and styled it a bunch for you guys. I love that it has an oversized fit. It's an Oxford style shirt. It's a classic. It goes with everything, literally everything. You can dress it up or down. I got it to wear it more casual, but still give a polished look, but you can definitely dress it up like I said. I love that it is oversized so I can manipulate it a little bit. I styled it kind of like crisscross and tucked in. I've worn it just oversized with jeans, and I feel like I'll be able to wear it once the weather warms up with distressed jeans, maybe even shorts underneath. You can wear it just really relaxed and chill. You can do so much with it, and it looks really nice. This color especially looks really, really nice with other pops of color and also other neutrals. This next one got a lot of compliments from you guys. This Quince silk tie neck blouse. So many of you love this. It's washable silk, so it's easy to care for, and it's a great price point. It's so nice to find quality fabrics in good price points, so I'm glad a lot of you like these. They come in a lot of colors, and they seem to always be in stock. So if you're looking for ways to elevate your workwear, or you just want to add some really nice pieces to your wardrobe overall, then check these out. This next piece is one of my absolute favorites, so I'm glad you guys are still enjoying it. And these are the Pistola barrel jeans. I've been talking about these jeans for quite some time now. They are still in heavy rotation for when I create outfits. When I'm reaching for something, I reach for them all the time. And I'm actually going to be reaching for them even more once the weather warms up, because I just love the crop on them, and they look good with pumps or flats. And I just really love how comfortable they are. They're just a great pair of jeans. I also have them in black, and I saw that they also come in an off-white, which I really want to try on. I'm trying to have a little bit of control, self-control here when it comes to these, because I don't need a million pair, but I do really like them, so I highly recommend. Next up, my J. Crew Regent blazer. This is a piece that I recently rediscovered in my wardrobe, brought it back out, started wearing it again, and I really love it. I used to wear it so much, and I don't know why I just stopped wearing it one day, but I decided I was gonna put it back in the rotation, and it's such a good blazer. J. Crew always does a Regent blazer. They might change the colors that it comes available in, but they always have it. It's a 4-season fabric, means you can wear it all year round. And when you are investing in your workwear wardrobe, it's an excellent blazer to have because you will get to wear it all the time. So if you get it in like a basic black or a camel like I have it, you'll wear it so much. The next piece, this 100% leather blazer from Quince. I'm so happy that this is a favorite because it's a good blazer. It comes in a few different colors. I have it in black. I also have it in chocolate. And then it also comes in like a taupey olivey color that I think is really pretty. So I would love to have that one as well. It's a good blazer. You can't go wrong with a leather blazer. You'll have it in your wardrobe for years and years and years. It's only going to get better because it is actually leather, and you just can't go wrong. You're not going to find a blazer that's 100% leather in this price point. I've mentioned that before. I mention it probably every time I share this blazer because I just think that that is such a key feature. The price is great. It's 100% leather. It's going to wear well. It's going to get better over time. It's always going to go with your outfit. And last but definitely not least, these jeans from The Gap. I love these. These are men's jeans, but the fit is awesome. I like that I'm able to get the length that I'm looking for. The style is great. I love them so much that I also picked them up in 2 other washes. I did have to get the waist taken in, and I still have to get the waist taken in on the 2 newest pair that I got, but definitely worth it. Highly recommend these jeans. The price point is excellent. They're just really, really good. I'll have the size that I selected in the jeans and all the pieces that I'm sharing listed in the description box as well, of course, along with the links. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.